Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to show you how to access and use the leak test menu in your XD-502 console. The XD-502 has a separate page for leak tests. To access this page, press Insert Note on the front of your console. A new window will appear, and when your cursor is selected on leak test, press the select button to enter it. This saves a data point before your leak test starts. When you're inside your leak test menu, you'll notice that you have a timer, vacuum, and dry gas meter display. You can start your leak test, and when your desired level of vacuum and your dry gas meter has stabilized, you can zero your dry gas meter reading and start your timer. This will start your leak test, and when you're happy with the results and you followed the Method 5 parameters, you can click Save Data, and it will save another data point for your leak test and exit out of the menu. When your leak test is concluded and you have exported your data, your leak test shows independently from your run data.